cloudy and shelby. For tonight, there is a low probability. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Wayne County, northwestern Union County, Indiana, northeastern Fayette County, Indiana, until 10 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cambridge City, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connersville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Dublin, Waterloo, Abington, Milton, East Germantown, Mount Auburn, Jacksonburg, Philo, Mass, Beesans, and Springersville. This includes I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 140. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.